Hi, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. So, a lot of you guys know that I sell on Etsy, I sell at the farmer's market, and a couple other places. One of the sites that I just started selling on is Goimagine. Because of some of the issues going on with Etsy, the fees, some of the other things that I'm not going to get into because they're kind of political, I've been looking for a site other than Etsy to sell my products online. My first choice was someplace where I could sell on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest with the shop and buy now buttons. We all know what sites those are. While I was looking, I came across a site called Goimagine. If you're not familiar with this site, I'll put a link down in my description. I'm also going to put a link in my description or a discount code down there that gives you a first month free. Yes, it's an affiliate link or a link that gives me a month free when you sign up. I don't care about the free month. Honestly, if you don't use my code at all, it won't hurt my feelings. I would like you to go check out this website though. It's a great selling platform. It is an amazing and powerful tool for selling. It gives you more options than Etsy does. It lets you embed video in every listing that you want to. I know Etsy just brought a video in, but this place lets you bring in YouTube videos. So if you're a YouTuber like me, or you want to be able to show off your products, be able to talk about your products, every single product the way you want to, you can embed video. You can embed video in your homepage. It is an amazing site. The tools and the range of tools for your listings is 100 times higher than Etsy. One of the things I love the most about this site is when you go to my page to look at my products, you do not see any competitor's product. It is just my stuff. It is just your stuff. They don't show other people's products when they go look at your page. Someone types in my Goimagine page and they go straight to my page on Goimagine. They're looking at my stuff and my stuff only, and not seeing someone else who's trying to knock off my product, someone else who's knocking off. That was good. Nothing like forgetting to put your phone on mute before you start a video. They're not showing off other people's products or trying to undersell you or trying to undercut you. One of my favorite things is that. I get so frustrated when people go to my Etsy page and they tell me, well, I was going to buy something from you, but I saw it cheaper from John's Woodworking instead of Doug's Woodworking. Okay, that's fine. So that's one of the things that I love about this page. The other thing that I really like about this page is the fact that they are giving the profits from their website to helping children in need, and that's a big part of what they do. So the profits from the company go to helping children. Right now, I think they said it was helping homeless children in their area of the company. A company who's going to be supporting local craftsmen, who is helping us have a better platform to sell from, and is going to be helping children. You know, that's a home run for me. If you've seen some of my posts that I do around Christmas and different times of the year, I'm always encouraging you guys to give back to the communities, give back to your local area, and help kids in crafts and in the sciences. So obviously a site that's giving money to children is something that I'm going to be interested in getting involved in, and hopefully you guys might be interested in that as well. I'm not going to give you tutorials. I'm going to link to a couple people who've done amazing tutorials on setting up this setting up your website through Goimagine. Go check them out. Like I said, this is an amazing site, an amazing opportunity for us to run a business and help other people and help our communities. So go check out this site. Let me know what you think down below. Questions, comments, leave them for me and I'll see if I can answer some of them for you in a future video. Goimagine, please feel free to leave some links down below for the websites. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below. If you decide you want to sign up for Goimagine, you want to get a free month while you're setting up and getting things going, there'll be a free link down there for, I believe it's any package you want to sign up for at the beginning. Personally, I signed up for the lowest package so I could get in, learn the website, get everything going, and I love it so far. And like I said, the embedded video is by far my favorite part. Alright, enjoy your day, guys. Go check out this website. Let's find a way to make our community stronger and better.